In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts in Notion using your Notion data. To get started, open the Notion database that contains the information you want to visualize. This is important because your chart will be built directly from the data already stored in that database. Before moving on, it helps to quickly confirm that the entries and properties you want to use are already organized the way you need them. Once your database is open, go to the top of it and click New View. This is where you create a different way to display the same data without changing the database itself. Views in Notion are useful because they let you look at your information from different angles, depending on what you want to focus on. Next, type a name into the View Name field. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can recognize it later, especially if your database has multiple views. A simple name related to the purpose of the chart usually works best. After that, select Chart from the list of available view types. This tells Notion that you want to turn your database data into a visual format instead of a table, board, or calendar. Now, verify that the correct database is selected under Source. This step matters because if the wrong source is chosen, the chart will pull in the wrong data. Take a moment to double-check it before continuing. Then click Edit Chart to begin setting up the chart itself. This is where the visual part starts to take shape. From here, choose the chart type you want to use. The best choice depends on the kind of data you're trying to present. Some chart types are better for comparing values, while others are better for showing patterns or distribution. Pick the one that makes your information easiest to understand at a glance. Next, configure the data by choosing the properties and values you want the chart to display. This is the core of the setup, since these selections determine what the chart is actually showing. After that, adjust the chart settings as needed. You can set grouping, aggregation, sorting, or filtering options to make the chart more useful and easier to read. These settings help refine the display so it highlights the information that matters most. Once everything looks right, save the chart configuration to apply the changes. Notion will then generate the chart view based on your setup. Now review the chart carefully and make sure it displays your database data correctly. If something looks off, it usually means one of the selected properties or settings needs to be adjusted. Finally, you can switch to the chart view anytime you want to monitor your data visually. It's a simple way to turn raw information into something much easier to track and understand. Thanks for watching.